I'm Nathan Skipper with Montgomery Technology Incorporated, and this is session 9 of the MTI Control System Technician Training course. And in this course, we will look at the MTI Digital Amplifier, or Digicom device as we call it, model number 91643 or model number 91743. This device is the main workhorse of the MTI intercom system and integrates the MTI intercom system in with the larger security control system. The digital amplifier provides a digital Ethernet-based means of communications. You do not have to have an analog audio bus from your control station down to your amplifier and onto your termination boards. With this system, it allows you to distribute your audio system across the network, which could be across buildings or across plants. It could be distributed across a city or across the world, for that matter, given the capabilities provided through TCP/IP communications, which this device uses. The device uses 12-volt DC power and supplies 1 watt output for the speakers that it connects to. It has connections for external paging amp, which allows you to go up to 60 watts of output, and it provides analog and digital control for input and output volumes. It also provides LEDs to indicate run state and also whether the device is in transmission or in page. A couple of the connections and features overview here. You have obviously the Ethernet port with an RJ45 connection. You have the power that is connected, as we'll show in the next slide, the speaker connection, paging in and out connections, and the receive volume control, which is a potentiometer accessed through the entry hole there, and then transmit LED, which is in red, and a run LED, which is in green. We're going to review the connection details in this slide. We're going to look at the power, speaker bus, paging in and paging out connections. First, you've got your power, which you've got your plus 12 on the first terminal connection there from the left. The common connection for your power. And then for your speaker, you're going to have your speaker plus, your speaker minus, and then your shield on the last 3 connections on the right hand terminal. And then your paging in plus, paging in minus, paging out plus, and paging out minus. A couple of things to note with respect to your paging. It does have a 60 watt maximum connection for paging speakers, and it does require that you connect via unbalanced microphone level output and input. Most of these paging speakers or paging amplifiers provide that, and we encourage you to use that. Using a balanced side will give you half the conversation, so we want to make sure you connect that correctly. Paging out wise, it allows for 25 or 70 volt paging speakers to be used in the event that you need different paging speaker options. And here's a typical connection for the Burtec AT340 paging amplifier, which is our typical paging amplifier that we use for our installations, but you can use any paging amplifier that provides similar connection there.